Django admin login page, Python crashes. I am trying to log in to admin URL of the Django post creating super user through command prompt. After I clicked login button, I am getting Python has stopped working. Python ver 3.7.0 Django ver 3.0. Step 1. Created website using Django admin command. Step 2. Using run server command verified Django default homepage is loading. Step 3. Tried admin/post creating super admin users. Step 4. Post login button click, Python stopped working error is displayed. What I tried to solve this issue without any success. Verified through shell my created user is active, superadmin, is _staff and all are true. Tried adding and removing session _cookie_secure equals false in settings.py. Verified allowed _hosts equals in settings.py. What should I do to see the admin page?
I had the same problem with Python 3.7.0 and Django 3.0. I've solved it by upgrading the Python to Python 3.7.6. Brew upgrade Python 3. Then I faced some issues with links and venv and I had to reinstall my venv and Django. So, I hope it helps someone.
I got the same issue with Python 3.7.0 as well. Upgrading to Python 3.8.0 solves this.
Same issue with Python 3.7.0, fixed with Python 3.7.8.
I had also facing the same issue. I upgrade my Python, but problem is not with Python, it is occur by virtual environment. Upgrade your virtual environment by running following command python mvenv upgrade /myvenv.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.